Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Today we got a John Deere back in the shop. It's the GT262 that had the running issue that we did the spring service on. It's back again, so let's check it out. Alright y'all, a little backstory on this. It's the one we had here in the spring. We did the carburetor clean, full service, sharpened blades, did all that. Customer took it home, ran it for a couple weeks, ran beautiful, loved it. All of a sudden it started having an issue, 10-15 minutes running, started bogging down, didn't have any power. It shut off, start right back up, take off, time and time again. About 10 minutes, it shut off, then it'd run fine. Shut off, run fine. He brought it back, I cleaned the carburetor again, checked the fuel filter, checked the fuel tank, did all that, ran beautiful for him for another couple weeks. Started acting up again. He brought it back, replaced the fuel pump on it. Same thing, ran fine, beautiful. Started just same thing, dying out, 10-15 minutes of running, but then it started backfiring when he tried to start it again. Pop, crank, then it'd fire up and take off running. So brought it back, I went through everything, checked everything, I ran it. Finally I got it, I was running it and I got it to die, and it died. And when it started back up, it was misfiring and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. So I narrowed it down that it's the coil or the igniter going bad. Bought both of those, so we're going to throw it on and hopefully it fixes it. So get over here and we'll start tearing this thing apart. Alright y'all, got this on the floor because I got the new lift, but Plan B is sitting up on it right now. We've been working on it too a little bit here and there. Been cleaning stuff up, kind of getting her going, or getting them going. So hopefully we're going to do some pulling here real soon. So, alright, I've never had one of these apart, so we're going to figure out what we need to do. I'm assuming that we got to start with taking the top air cover off, because that's usually how the Kawasaki's are. So Kawasaki and John Deere, what a great combination. I can't bitch about the John Deeres too much. They make me lots of money. So alright. Alright, that looks like the culprit right there. Now I did ohm that out, and it says it's within tolerances, but I'm not trusting it, so we're going to replace it. So, alright, let me grab the new one and we'll get it replaced. Alright y'all, here's the OEM replacement. They're identical, but if I get the bash on Kawasaki again, they don't send the grommet, they don't send the boot. You got to take all that stuff off, transfer it over. It's not a big deal, but if you're paying 75 bucks for a coil, 75, 80 bucks for a coil, don't you think it should come with it? I don't know. Anyways, got to pull this off here, and it just hopefully just a simple twist it off, and it is one of the style that has the piercing needle on it. Hopefully it comes off here. Alright, she popped off, and she's out of there, and the piercing needle broke off. How fun. Alright, well, I guess I'll be ordering one of those, because I don't have any of those in stock. Fun. So, alright, well, we can go ahead and install the rest of it. Just slide that grommet back up on there. This is our kill wire laying over here. And drop your grommet off your wire. Just need to plug that back in there. And before I do that, I'm going to clean these mounting bosses. A little bit of sandpaper. Make sure we're getting a good contact there. Alright. Get that started. Get that one started. But I can say they gave me the air gap tool to come with it. Comes with it. You know. Right there. It even gives you instructions. Nice little piece of cardboard. It's a business card. So, alright. My rant's over. We'll get back to fixing this stuff. Like I said, at least it pays well. Alright. I need to clean this magnet up just a little bit. It wasn't real bad, it just... Alright. Got that cleaned up. Now, our official gapping tool here. That in there, like that. On the flywheel here. Okay. Official gapping tool here. Alright. There we go. Get them started in there. Get our click clack here. Our Ugga Dugga, mini Ugga Dugga. Alright. Rotate this until our official gapping tool comes out. I'm going to put this up. You know, this is official Kawasaki gapping tool. Air gap tool, so. Alright. No interference problems there. I'm not going to hold on to that, but we'll stick her down in there. Going to rotate this. Yep. Alright. No problems, no issues. Like I said, I can get the end for that wire tomorrow sometime or other. Let's go ahead and put this cover back on here. Got a little grommet up here in place. I'll shut the camera off, put all these screws back in, and we'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all. Got the new spark plug in. This is the crimp style. I like these a lot better than the ones that have the little pin and the little curly-coo wire. I've always had better luck with these than that style. But first, we're going to replace the igniter, which is right here, which is nicely tucked in behind the oil fill. So we're going to pop the screw out of the mounting bracket on that. See if we can gently move that off to the side. Oh, surprisingly that screw's loose. Well, not loose, but not stuck in there. We say that? Alright. There's that. Slip that back in there. Hopefully we can keep this on the end of the screwdriver. Look at that. Give that one bear ugga-dugga. Grab this screw. Put that back in that hole. Struggle like all get out. There we go. Alright. Now we're going to move on to that. Need to strip a little bit of this wire end off of here. About a 1/4 inch is what I usually do. Do a little more if we have to here in a second, but yep. Need to do a little bit more. That was about 3/4 of an inch total. Give that just a little bit of a twist to keep them wires together. And then we're going to fold it back over. But first, we're going to check the orientation of our... There we go. I'm going to fold that back this way. Like that. And that end will go on there like that. And that'll clip on there like that. So, now... got that facing the right direction. Kind of crimp that around a little bit. Now they do make special pliers for this, but I do not have them, at least not here. I do have them at work. And of course I forgot to grab them to do this job, but we're going to do it this way. And what these are is they're little crimper pliers like that. I've kind of pushed that end down in, and then I'm going to take these pliers and kind of fold it back up. Alright, on there good and tight. Now we got to slide the boot on, and you can use oil or anything y'all want to use, but I use a little dishwashing liquid. For one, it's slick when it's wet, but this stuff will dry out and become sticky. So got that like that. Push that in there like that. And of course it's so slick that you can't hold on to it. So are we through yet? Almost through, but the old wire end's still up in there. There we go. Alright. There. Nice and on. Reach down there. Snapped on. There we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. So, there's that. We got all that. Throw this away. I'm going to clear my tools off here, and then we'll give us a fire up. Apparently I missed this bracket here, so we'll put that on, then we'll fire it up. Alright y'all, let's see if this thing will fire up now. Let me check, make sure the fuel's on. Alright y'all, I put an inline spark tester in there, and we're not getting spark. It's turning over, but it's not getting spark. So I'm going to pull this back apart, pull this cover off here, and we'll check, see what's going on. So we'll bring y'all right back. Alright y'all, pulled that cover off, and you know, if y'all do this, make sure your ground wire is on here, especially if you got this igniter set up, because without that hooked up, it won't fire. So, alright, now alright y'all, there you have it. I am going to pull that off there and give it a little bit of pinch. Make sure it stays on there good and tight. But yeah, double check your work. That's all I can say. Just make sure your work's good. I got in a hurry, didn't. So, alright, I'm going to button this back up, and we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, I had that John Deere sitting outside for probably a half hour, a little over half an hour, 3/4, almost full throttle. Not an issue. Didn't put it under any load. It's got a little low tire. I want to make sure before I take it out and actually run it. Put some air in the tires and stuff. But anyways, I think we got her fixed this time. If we don't, then we ain't working on it no more. It's done. It's John Deere. Ain't worth putting no more money into. Just joking. Anyways, it's going to do it for this video. If you guys like it, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Get everything we do here. And appreciate you all watching, and we'll catch you all on the next one.